Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working here, guys, on a Dodge Dart, and what we'll be doing should apply, guys, to the whole generation Dodge Dart from year 2013 to year 2016, guys, even 17 I think, some models. Now we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the steering control, steering column, for the windshield wiper switch, turn signal switch, also known just as steering column control fuse, guys. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, how to replace it. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on tools, parts, car parts, fuses, anything, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that for a really good price and extremely fast shipping as well. Now we are demonstrating on a 2015 Dodge Dart right here, and the fuse that I'm talking about, let me show you, okay, what's going to cover now. Okay, it's going to cover all the steering controls, guys. Okay, this one here, this one's here, the one over there as well, guys. So if that fuse is bad, nothing there will work as well, guys. So this is also known as a cock spring control, it could be known, cock spring control fuse. So it has a few different names, guys, but we'll explain where it is located now. You guys have 3 fuse boxes, one is under the hood and 2 fuse boxes are inside. And the one that we're looking at now, guys, okay, it's actually, okay, let me double check again everything. Okay, perfect, fuse number 20, guys, F20. Okay, you can see our cover here is gone. You don't have to remove your cover. This is because, okay, we'll be accessing the fuses through here, so I can show you with the camera. But you have one fuse box which is on the body control module, right there. But the fuse is not there, guys. The fuse is right there underneath, and I'm going to show you where. Give me just a second. So I'll go under the, okay, under the steering wheel now. Okay, and if we come all the way here underneath, guys, okay, just like that, let me get a little bit of action. You guys have one fuse box, okay, right there. I'm upside down with the camera, so hopefully you can see what's happening. This is, okay, this right here is your airbag for the knees. This is the fuses. You access them from underneath, guys. All you have to do is just go underneath. Now what I did, I disconnected the fuse box, just slid it up and it came loose. And by removing that cover I can actually show you which fuse is there, guys, because those fuses, they don't have numbers and it's really hard to know, okay, what exactly we're talking about. So let me see what's a good angle. Okay, perfect, like that. I'll grab the fuse box, guys, okay, and unfortunately I cannot get it out, guys. This is the furthest I can get it, okay, just like that. So hopefully you can get the idea. But the fuse that we're looking at now will be on the very right row. Let me try to get a little bit more light, okay, to see if we can do something else, because it's super, okay, super not visible right now. Okay, let's try something like that. Okay, perfect, like that. So if I pull the fuse box out, you might be able to see just a little bit more. But the fuse that we're talking about, guys, okay, this is fuse number 18, 19, 20. It's a 5 amp, okay, excuse me, 18. We're on the 3rd row from left to right. Okay, let me show you now. 1, 2, 3, guys. 3rd row. And on the 3rd row you go 1, 2, second fuse is missing, 3, 10 amp fuse, guys, right here. That 10 amp fuse, that's what we'll be removing now. And this fuse, guys, just grab it with the puller. Okay, I know I'm blocking the V now, but okay, grab it with the fuse puller and pull it out, guys. You can see this is, okay, this is the 3rd fuse. It's extremely, okay, extremely inconvenient place. Now, guys, another thing, if you need to buy replacement fuses, parts or anything like that, guys, you can see where we got that box of fuses, guys. Okay, the whole thing super inexpensive, and we'll have the link. We'll grab a new 10 amp fuse Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and push it in. So give me just a second now. I know it's very limited room, but we're doing our best to show you guys, okay, where it is located. Let me see if I can get the light and show you a little bit better, maybe through that angle here. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3. This third fuse, guys, okay, right here. That's the one, okay, that we needed. And I'm trying to see if I put it here, what's going to happen. But you can see, guys, this is pretty much it, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.